to Rocab's Cabrera channel. So in this video, we're going to show you the inside of the seamanship laboratory of UC Mitisi. So let's go!
Before we enter seamanship lab, we must wear PPE or personal protective equipment like hard hat, safety goggles, overall jacket, cotton gloves, and steel-toe shoes.
So this is an example of a student wearing PPE or the personal protective equipment. C.
Seamanship laboratory. So this one here is what we call the bollard, and this one is what we call the double beats. So the double beats is located in the deck of the ship, while the bollard is in the port area. So this is a mooring rope with 8 strands. It is used in berthing and unberthing of the ship.
Well, these are the example of day-shaped symbols. So, as you can see, that is the ball. During the day, when you can see that a vessel displaying like that, it means that the vessel is at anchored. This one is a diamond. So, if you can see that the vessel displaying a diamond, it means that the vessel is engaged in towing.
These are some paints that you can use when you paint the ship. So this equipment is called the turnbuckle. It is used to secure the containers or cargoes in the ship. So this is what we call the rigging stage. It is used when you paint the ship, and it is commonly used by 2 people.
This is bosun's chair. It's like rigging stage, but it's commonly used by 1 person only.
Have you learned something?
For a little tour inside the seamanship laboratory.
So for more videos, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
And comment down for any suggestions.
That's all. Goodbye.